Hello guys, so nag-request yung tropa natin, si Aris lang It 920, no? So kasi no nakaraan tinesting natin sa MSI Klo yung NBA 2K26. So i-testing raw natin dito sa Lenovo Legion Go.
Let's go! Let's go! Start!
So ito guys, hindi ko to nakuha doon sa secret app na pwede kang mag-download ng mga games sa Steam. Ito guys, binili ko talaga to ng sarili kong pera pero hindi talaga ako naglalaro nito, no? So binili ko lang talaga to para sa inyo, para matesting natin kasi ang dami yung nagre-request talaga ng 2K26. So ite-testing natin to guys sa tatlong settings. Syempre, una yung low power, sumunod balance, and lastly performance mode, no? Para makita natin guys kung kaya niya ba yung at least 60 FPS. Okay, so dito tayo sa features, then video settings, tapos taasan natin to. Gawin natin siyang sagad 1920 by 1200, tapos texture detail natin gawin natin siyang high. Yung texture detail guys, hindi siya pwede sa high, so hanggang medium lang siya, yan, naka gray out yung high. Sa overall settings natin gawin natin siyang ultra. Okay, so back natin, so yes natin. So again guys, ang settings natin is ultra settings, so play now natin. So ang gagawin natin dito is CPU versus CPU lang. Tapos guys, ang performance natin dito ay naka-balance. Okay, so testingin muna natin guys sa balance bago natin testingin sa iba pa.
Featuring the Chicago Bulls as they go up against the Utah Jazz. This is Kevin Harlan alongside Clark Kellogg and Mike Fratello. And we've got David Aldridge joining us from the sideline.
Galing no? Talagang luma yung itsura niya.
And here's Stockton.
Yan, so kung naka-ultra settings tayo guys, tapos naka-balance mode tayo, yan, so medyo mababa yung frame rate natin, 26, 28, 27, so ganun lang siya.
I gotta know about you, but after all these seasons, opening day still gives me a...
So baka nagtataka kayo, no, parang ang labo ng screen. So ini-imitate niya yung screen nung 90s, di ba ganyan kalabo yun? Okay, so in short, hindi niya kaya kapag ka naka-balance.
Now here's Jordan.
So palitan natin, gawin natin siyang performance.
And he gets that one to go off the front iron. An effective score from the in-between area of the court. Jordan doing his thing.
Okay, pag naka-performance mode guys, 36, 38. So malakas talaga yung Z2 Extreme. Dito natin makikita yung pagkakaiba nito sa kanang Z2 Extreme. Kasi Z2 Extreme, kahit na naka-AI lang to, wala to, panis na panis to eh. Ayun. Okay, 40, 43 frames.
Sounds like limiting Stockton's assist and not stopping them is their only hope there. Kev?
All right, thank you, David. Jordan with the bucket.
That's 6'6" with his crazy hop.
So, yan yung naka-performance, no? So, subukan naman natin sa low power. Yan, pag naka-low power, guys.
Stockton outside. It's Edwards on.
Eto, wala to. Not playable to. 14, 13 frames. Wala. Pangit to.
5 to shoot. To the paint.
So, testing pa natin sa iba.
Here's Eaton. That's good. And a nice
So, pag naka-custom tayo, guys.
Inside Eaton can be merciless.
Yan, TDP limit, sagad natin. Sa GPU clock, sagad rin natin. So, para lang rin itong naka-performance eh.
And Jordan gets it to go.
You know, I think they got to show a little more anticipation dealing with these screens because
Okay, 30 frames.
they're just laying on them and getting stuck.
Look, you have to go over the top or duck under. Right now, they're seemingly trying to go through the screen.
Now here's Stockton. Outside Edwards. Jordan against
28 frames, 27, 29.
And there's another one for the Jazz.
Again guys, ultra settings to yung maximum. Yan, so ganyan lang yung nakukuha natin na frames dito sa Lenovo Legion Go S na Z1 Extreme to guys Hindi to Z2 Go, hindi to Windows. Z1 Extreme to.
Now Paxson. Jordan down low. He's covered by Malone. No good from Jordan. Jazz have gotten their first 3 shots to go in for him to start off this game. Stockton against Paxson. Malone sets the pick for Stockton. Releases from 15. Second shot opportunity, and he sinks the layup. Eaton's got his second basket of the game.
A 7'4" force around the hoop. Mark Eaton will eat you alive. You have to get a body on him.
Here's Jordan. Rebounded by the Jazz.
He's a solid mid-range shooter, but just wasn't able to knock that one down.
Stopped in the pass to Malone. A rebound by Clark.
Yan, so naka-performance guys. Yan, makakuha tayo ng mga 40 frames.
Jazz have gotten 4 of 6 field goals.
So hindi natin nakuha guys yung gusto natin na 60 frames dito. So nakita natin guys no, na iba talaga yung Z2 Extreme kaya Z1 Extreme Kasi sa AI lang to, kayang-kaya to nun Tapos kapag ka yung endurance mode lang o yung tipid sa battery, umaabot siya ng 30 frames pa rin. Ito pag naka-performance yan, 40. So hindi siya umaabot ng 60 frames.
And here's Armstrong. Shot clock at 3. Nice catch and finish on the alley-oop.
Nice finish there to guide it in.
Yeah, you know, it doesn't have to be a dunk, does it?
Nope.
No, sir. As long as it goes in.
Here's Murdoch. On the wing, Malone. To the inside. Stolen by Pippen and stolen by Malone. Pass to Murdoch.
Dalawa yung Malone. Sino yung J Malone?
46 seconds left.
Yun, Malone, tapos may Karl Malone rin, may J Malone. Siguro magkapatid.
Dishes to Malone. Shoots over King, and there's Karl Malone on the assist by Malone.
O diba, dalawa yung Malone.
Second bucket of the night.
You're not going to find a more effective scorer inside than Malone.
So 90s Chicago to versus 19 Utah.
Pippen, no luck.
Solid defensive effort.
So again guys, sorry, hindi ako naglalaro nito. Huli ako naglaro nito, NBA Live pa. And ang current price niya guys sa Steam is 2,920 pesos.
Malone misses.
Grabe no, ang gold talaga ng presyo. Pero kung mahilig ka naman talaga dito, sulit na yan.
Finds Jordan.
Lalo may kakilala ko nito, nakipagpustahan talaga raw siya nito no? So ginagawa niyang hanap buhay ito.
Doesn't go in. At the end of one,
Okay? So ayan guys, yung testing natin again dito sa Lenovo Legion Go S na meron siyang Z1 Extreme na processor. So ang settings mo dapat dito naka-performance. Kung gusto mong ultra settings, yung talagang sagad na sagad. Yan, so performance mode siya. So nakakuha tayo ng 40 frames per second. Pero kung gusto nyo guys ng 60 frames, syempre medyo babaan mo yung settings mo. Siguro medium to high settings. Tapos si performance mo, doon pwede ka makakuha ng mga 60 frames na doon. Pero dito nga guys, ay 40 frames lang talaga yung maximum niya kapag ka naka-performance mo. No? So dito again natin nakikita yung pagkakaiba ng Z1 Extreme sa Z2 Extreme. Kasi Z2 Extreme guys, kahit na naka-AI lang siya doon sa MSI Clock ko, ay kayang-kaya nito yung ultra settings nitong NBA. Pero dito hindi niya talaga kaya. Okay? So kung nagustuhan mo naman to guys, itong video na to, so huwag mo naman makakalimutan mag-subscribe dito sa channel ko. Syempre like mo na rin itong video na to at i-turn on mo na rin yung notification bell para like updated sa mga vlog ko about sa mga gadgets. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!